Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Andrew and Amandeep. Today we're going over special derivatives. In this episode, we're looking at logarithms. So, as you may recall, logarithms are shown as such. We have log, we have a base we'll call b, we have log of x, and the way it works is we'll say, okay, if this is equal to some arbitrary constant c, then we can rewrite this as b to the power of c is equal to x. So that's just how logarithms work. How do we take the derivative of a logarithm? This is a different question. The rule for taking the derivative of any logarithm with base b, and as long as x and x here, the rule is we do this. It is equal to 1 over x log base b of e. So e has shown up out of nowhere, and this is interesting because e kind of appears everywhere when you're dealing with logarithms. That's why the natural logarithm is base e. Anyways, now that knowing this, we're put it here to show its times. Knowing this, we can actually simplify it a bit further. If you recall logarithm rules, you'll remember that you can change this into ln of e over ln of b, because we put the value here, up here, and this b, the base, is the denominator. That's just a logarithm rule. And then from here, ln of e is 1. So we're going to just say, okay, this is 1 over x ln b. So this is the formula for the derivative of log base b of x. And this is actually very nice because it shows us why a specific derivative we'll see a lot, d over dx of ln of x is equal to exactly 1 over x. We know that we know that ln of x is essentially the same as saying log base e of x. So when we plug e as base here, let's plug e as the base here. We're going to get 1 over x times ln of e. And ln of e, as we all know, is just 1. So that leaves us with 1 over x, which is nice and simple. This is important enough that you should know this by heart, that the derivative of ln x is just 1 over x. It's simple, it's easy to remember, and you're going to use it a lot, because this is probably the most common logarithmic derivative that we have to deal with. But do remember this as well. This is the general formula for a derivative of a logarithm. Anyway, thanks for watching this episode. Join us next time when I don't know what we're doing anymore, but we'll figure it out. See ya.